Nikki, it's Greg again. I happen to think of something that I probably should have remembered to tell you about, and perhaps this way it will be better. As you see right here, I have a template. Actually brought it up and made a quick change to it, so it would be the first one. But again, you can always find your things by doing the filter search, and so if I just type in my template, it will show up as the only one. So I'm going to tell it that I want to duplicate it. And a couple of things that I just wanted you to see. This is for my student that has the service for tech and science vocational ed. So that's kind of the service name. And so I'm making this as the generic, so I'm going to leave it as the student name. Once I've put in all of my service information for this particular student and have that information here, I'll click that it's done editing. And so in this first text box, I'll make some revisions. I'll add some links to some area schools and things that I have found, and you'll be able to figure that out. But I wanted to show you this neat little trick that I didn't think of. And so I want to add a picture here for an image that just kind of represents the science and technology. And so I did a search over here, just technology and science, and I kind of like this image. Now I could download it to my computer and fill up my pictures and stuff, but I've found a shortcut way to do that. So if I click over here and tell it I want to open my snipping tool, notice it's right here. Click it, and I've actually already done this, and then I thought I should show Nikki how to do this. So if I click new, it will allow me then to drag and drop across the screen. And so I would just drag across the image that I want. And once I have what I want, I'll let go. And now there it is again. But now what I'll do is I'll tell it file save as, and so instead of saving it to my pictures folder and everything, it's just in my downloads. The default name that Snip has is capture, and so I just tell it save as capture. And it says, hey, you already have that file, and I say, yeah, just replace it, because now I can come back to my email that I'm developing, click on the little picture box and tell it to insert from the downloads menu, capture, tell it open, and voila, there it is. And so I can do that with any number of pictures, put them into my email, and I don't have to clutter up my computer with all kinds of different graphics and images, and they're just accessible and ready. So again, I'll finish editing this email, getting all the information in for vocational education for tech and science, and then once I'm done, I'll click publish, and then I will duplicate that email and put the specific student's name in so that I have it for Norman this afternoon, plus any other students in the future that may have tech and science. It will be one of my documents that if I put done editing, I'll come back over here, because now is the time that I would say, hey, this is an education thing, and so I want to add a newsletter. See, I'm showing you something that didn't get shown, and I'll tell it to select once it's loaded. It's the first one on the list, so it's easy to find as my template. Click add, and there it is, student name changed from template to that in education. So template is actually in all of my things. So there you have it. Hope that's helpful, and let me know if you have questions. Bye-bye.